traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the Euro Yen, to me, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 3, and if that's the case, then it should be an ABC of 4, or some sort of other correction, which I think will likely go down to about the 50% before it goes up and makes another attempt on the uptrend for the wave 5. Taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I think this first push down is a wave A. I think we're already in the wave B, which I think will probably end up looking something like that. Wave B should be a correction to the wave A, then eventually back down for wave C. Just keep in mind that this is the monthly weekly time frame that this is visible on, which means that this is going to take a very, very long time to play out. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily, wave A right here, impulsive up, wave A, 1, 2, 3 waves down, wave B. I think we are currently in an uptrend for a wave C, which I think the most likely place for this to go is someplace up in this area, like the 123 or the 138 Fibonacci extension of wave A projected out the bottom of wave B to complete this wave C of B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we're definitely continuing to make higher highs, higher lows. If this right here makes a new higher high, then this is going to be my new structure level. But so far it hasn't. If it does break the high, I'll move my structure level up to here, and that will be my confirmation that the trend is not up anymore. But as long as the trend continues to make higher highs, higher lows in this 4 hour time frame, I am definitely doing absolutely nothing but looking for longs every single chance I get on the shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Well, first of all, the 1 hour, we had the break of structure back here last Tuesday or Wednesday, and then from that point on you should have been looking for longs. Now look at what has been going on. 1, 2, 3 waves down, go long. 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 Man, there has been plenty of opportunities that could get in for the continuation of the uptrend. I think you could probably guess what I'm doing now. I will not be going short, but instead I'll be waiting for the next three-way pullback to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.